Good day, M4684. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Lenny Dumalis. I am 45 years old and Happy New Year. And I have three children, aged 27, 19, and 17. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. I saw that you have experience in Bahrain. As a helper, what are your main duty and responsibility?
My main duties and responsibilities in Bahrain is assist cooking and marketing, cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing.
Okay, and you have also experience in Dubai. What are your main duty?
My main duties there is general cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and washing cars. And I can taking care of the children.
Okay, which is 6 years old and 3 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay. I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay, how will you prepare a food or a milk for a newborn baby?
I will wash first. I will wash my hands, and then I will wash the water. I mean the bottle.
Okay.
And then after I wash the bottle, I will sterilize the bottle. After that, I will put amount of milk and water, and then I will shake it very well. And then before I give it to the baby,
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper is full.
And if the baby is still crying after you check the diaper, what will you do?
I will check the temperature.
Temperature of the baby.
Temperature.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn more money to my future, to my family.
For the future of your family and to those children that you have, right? Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they want me, sir.
As long as the employer wants you to stay with them, it is okay to you to stay with them.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, sir.
But are you willing to learn?
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
Okay, how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
Watching YouTube's for cookbook.
Or buy some cookbooks? Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly, help them go to bed, help them go to the bath, help them go to shower, and also help them go to the hospital for checkups.
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of, to share jobs, sorry, for the other helper.
Yes.
Okay, if the employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay to you?
Yes, it's
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
so my employer told the future employer in Hong Kong, if you choose me, I will do the best and I will try my best to do the task that you gave me.
Okay, can you promise that you will be honest,
Yes.
trustworthy, and responsible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Lenny P. Dumalis, M4684.